Hello, my name is Vincent and I come from Hong Kong. Now I'm graduate from Hong Kong Polytechnic University. For myself, I like uh, explore the new things and the places, and also I like the adventures. But I don't like the people who are impolite and having extreme thinking. For my hobbies, I love hiking. I will hiking in mountain areas with challenges, and I love running. I will spend time for running about once or twice a week. Furthermore, I love cooking, especially I am confident in making the Chinese dishes. I will describe myself as a flexible, enthusiastic, and a friendly person. Thank you.